Hello everyone. In this lovely occasion, I would like to share a little bit about the role of the courts in Indonesia in advancing environmental law. First, let's take a brief look on the law. Indonesia have pillars, constitutions, law and Supreme Court regulations about environment. In conclusion, I could say that Indonesia already has a good legal framework for environment. Then, for you who do not know yet what court Indonesia have for environmental cases, you can read this. Then, this. Which courts, what main problems, and when. They are the sequence of events, starting from the jurisdictions of state administrative courts in the blue column to the yellow column, that about the two jurisdictions. Lastly, to the red column as the jurisdictions of general courts. Then, here are the role of Indonesian courts in advancing environmental law. First, bringing a holistic courts approach in handling environmental cases, as we have three courts. We have challenge on it. Here, we have to remember when to prioritize the premium remedium principle and when to waive the ultimum remedium principle. Next, strengthening the capacity, quality, and integrity of the judges. We already have system, certification, advanced training, and workshops, also conference for judges. But yeah, we do have challenge. Third, being a guardian of constitutions in concrete case. Luckily, nowadays, more judges have mindset on substantial, progressive, and innovative approach to the case. So, they tend to do the judicial activism or environmental activism. But yeah, we do have challenge. Here are some cases that perhaps you are interested in learning more. Fourth, optimizing what we already had. Guidelines, circuit court, execution process, legal aid post, monitoring the case, pro deo, etc. We have lots of instruments for bringing the environmental justice, but yeah, we do have challenge on it. And related to the external institutions, we should having a respectful and continue network with another institution related and making a lot of collaborations, because to bring justice to the earth and the people and whatever inside, we need to hold our hands together. So let's think strategically and be quick, so we won't leave a damaged and unhealthy environment to our children and grandchildren. Thank you. Don't forget to learn more and always learning. Bye.